everybody, I'm Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon, and welcome to Thirsty Thursday. Jamie, what's on tap today?
Today we're making the cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll, okay. What have we got that's cinnamony?
Well, it's very exciting, this drink.
Okay.
Fireball.
Fire.
Second ingredient, cream soda.
All right, that's it.
So I'm gonna go ahead, that's short cups, bit of ice. So figure out how sweet you want it or how cinnamon you want it. So you can go more sweet with the cream soda.
All right, got about 1.5 ounces in there. 1.5 ounces in there. Who knew that a fireball had a place other than in your golf bag? Really? Who knew? Okay, let's give this a shot here. Hang on. Did you stir it up yet? I'll just
Here.
Thank you. The cinnamon roll.
Cheers.
That's a quick and easy one. Oh, that's cinnamony. Oh, smooth.
That's actually pretty good. You're gonna get heartburn.
That is sweet. Cheers, everyone.
That's good.
Give that a shot.
Cheers. Actually kind of tastes like bubble gum.
It does.